In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Google Slides with AI. Open Google Slides in your browser and get a presentation ready, either a new blank deck or an existing one you want to enhance. At the top of the screen, click the Extensions menu. This is where add-ons live in Google Slides and where we'll access the AI features. In the drop-down, choose Magic Slides. If you already have it, it will appear in that list and open a panel with its tools. You'll see options that speed up your workflow. Generate PPT creates a full presentation from a prompt. Add New Slide helps you insert AI-generated slides into your current deck. Remix Slides reworks existing content for clarity or style. These are great when you want structure fast without starting from scratch. There are also specialized tools. You can create a chart with AI when you need visualized data, make a quiz PPT to build interactive assessments, add image to quickly illustrate a point, and use slide translation to localize content for different audiences. Today, we'll focus on making a quiz. Choose Make Quiz PPT. A sidebar will prompt you for details so the AI can tailor the slides to your needs. Start by entering your content or topic. Be specific and clear. Include the subject, the level of difficulty, and any constraints like multiple choice or true-false. The better your prompt, the better the quiz structure and accuracy. Next, select the number of questions. Pick a quantity that fits your time and audience. Fewer questions work well for quick checks. More questions suit thorough reviews. Remember, you can always trim or reorganize slides afterward. Choose the language for your quiz. This ensures the AI writes questions and any explanations in the language your audience expects. It's particularly useful if you teach or present in multilingual environments. Select your AI provider. Depending on what's available in your account, providers can vary in style and speed. If you're unsure, start with the default and adjust in future runs based on the tone and detail you prefer. Then select the image source. Decide whether you want the AI to pull visuals from a stock library, search, or none at all. Keep your theme consistent and choose images that reinforce the question, not distract from it. Always respect licensing and accessibility by preferring clear, high-contrast visuals. Finally, click Generate Question. Give it a moment to build your quiz slides. Once they appear, review the wording, check the accuracy, and adjust formatting to match your theme. Run a quick preview to ensure pacing feels right, and you're done. Explore the other Magic Slides tools later to refine or expand your deck.